Hi everyone, let us see Algebra exercise 3.1 and question number 8 today. So here, what is the given question? What must be subtracted from? So subtracted from means, do remember you have to write this first. So I have written this polynomial first. So what you are going to do is, you are going to subtract something from this. That is your answer. So I have taken let f of x be the polynomial that should be subtracted. So I am subtracting f of x from the given polynomial. So have we arrived at the conclusion? What should be? This should be f of x should be subtracted from. So I am subtracting f of x from. So hope you understood this question first. So what should be subtracted means I am taking f of x. So f of x, let the polynomial should be subtracted from the f of x. And to get, I already told in the previous session, to get means you have to put equal to. So f of x I am subtracting from this polynomial to get your answer. So let us go into our question. Okay. So in this question, if you could see, what happens is, I have written the first step. Okay. Let f of x be the polynomial that should be subtracted. So f of x should be subtracted from this polynomial to get this. So further you have to do the simplification only. Writing this step is very important. Okay. What should be subtracted? F of x. So now I am keeping this minus f of x on the left hand side as such. The right hand side, first of all, I am writing all this. 3x square minus x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So this is written on first after the equal to symbol. Then I am taking this polynomial to the right hand side. So when you take this to the right hand side, what happens is, this is in plus 2x square. So it becomes a minus 2x power 4 and plus 4x square, and this becomes minus 4x square. This is minus 3x, it becomes plus 3x. This is plus 7 and it becomes a minus 7. So once you are done with this, you have to simplify further. Do remember, you have the minus f of x here. Keep it as such. So now this one, I am writing the highest power first. So in this, if you could see, which is the highest power in this line, the highest power is x power 4. So I am taking this first. Do we have any other x power 4 here? No. So I am writing this x power 4 as such. Then we have to go to x power 3. There is only one x power 3. So I am writing it as such. Plus 3x cube. When you move to x square, we have minus x square and a minus 4x square. So what I have written is, I have put a plus symbol outside and minus 1 and a minus 4 and your x square. So what happens here? Minus 1x square and a minus 4x square. Okay. So hope you understood this. I'm taking the x square coefficients together. Now what happens is, you have to move to the x. We are done with this x square, x cube, x square, x power 4, x square. Now we are moving to the next one, which is our x. So we have got 2x here, plus 2x and plus 3x. So I have taken it as plus 5x. This will be 2 plus 3 will be 5x. Okay. So we are done with these two terms also. And now finally we have got your constants. Plus 1 and minus 7. Okay. We are done with this step. Now what we have to do is, you have to simplify your next step. We are done till here. The next step will be, do remember I am writing this minus f of x as such. And then your first term as such, x power 4 and minus 2x power 4 and plus 3x cube. Now comes to x square. X square means minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. So that is a minus 5x square. And then comes your 2 plus 3, which is your plus 5 plus 5x. And then 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Now our question is simplified. And still we have got one more step. What is that? Is here we have got a minus. So what I am doing is, in the next step, I am taking the minus to the other side, which simply means you have to change the symbol of all this. So this minus becomes a plus 2x power 4 and this plus becomes a minus 3x cube and this minus becomes again a plus and this plus becomes a minus and minus becomes a plus. And finally we have arrived at your conclusion. So now if you could see, what polynomial should be subtracted? Yes, you have to write your answer as this polynomial. This is the polynomial that should be subtracted. Whenever you write your answer anywhere, in case of question words type of question, write whatever is given in the question as answer. So what must be subtracted from? So you have to write it as this is the polynomial that should be subtracted. Okay. Okay, hope you understood this question. First of all, just read the question carefully. What must be subtracted? So that is the thing you have to find out. I have taken it as f of x. From means you have to write this first. So I have written that first and then your f of x. Okay, minus f of x. To get means equal to, right? To get this, you have to subtract f of x from here. Hope you understood this question and thanks for watching.